I'm out here in the forest and I have collected 13 sticks or branches or whatever you want to call it. Branches are lying around everywhere in the forest, so you don't need to chop down anything or whatever. 3 of them are quite short. So I put them like this, and yeah, maybe like so. And then I take the other ones. And put them like so. And yeah, then I bunch them together a little, take off any excess bullshit. Maybe I should have a poke here. Here's the poke, or the poker in Batman. And then I just poke, damn it. Then I just poke off any excess bullshit, such as this, poked, this, poked, and yeah, basically anything that might bother you. Yeah, low quality poked, but it does the job. Yeah, and that's basically it. There we have it. Simple woodbed. Now you can just lie here, take it easy, do some deep breathing, some inner body awareness, simply lying down, closing your eyes, focus on your breathing, focus on your body, or what have you. Yeah. Did you see how easy it was? Maybe you can do it as well. I think you can. So, safety first, transition slowly, and variation. And maybe you don't only want to do this when you want to do it. You might want to do it when you need to do it.